What's up guys, Lucas here. Today we have a short video to tell you that I was chosen to be the judge in the Super Mega Arcane Fanart Showdown, a fanart contest based on the incredible Netflix show Arcane. Walid Fegali, a fantastic artist here in YouTube, and myself are the two judges, and we will be checking out the entries of 7 mind-blowing artists and their Arcane fanart illustrations. While Walid's expertise is more in environments, mood and composition, mine is more in characters and story, so that is the way that we rank the artworks. You can check out the incredible illustrations and of course the video with Walid and me ranking our favorite artworks in the link in the description. For all of you that don't know, League of Legends, the game in which Arcane is based, was one of my biggest reasons I decided to become a concept artist and work in the video game industry. So special thanks to Envato for organizing this very cool event.